Lost your AC remote? Don't worry. You may still be able to control your air conditioner without it. Here's exactly what you need to know. First, check your air conditioner for a hidden control button. On many split ACs, it's located behind the front cover. Window and portable units usually have buttons on the control panel. Here's something important, not every air conditioner lets you increase or decrease the temperature without a remote. Many models only have an emergency button that starts the unit at a preset temperature. Manufacturers use preset temperatures because they provide a comfortable balance between cooling, energy efficiency, and compressor protection without needing remote communication. If your AC has built-in temperature buttons, simply use the plus and minus controls to adjust the setting. If it doesn't, the temperature usually can't be changed manually. For complete control, consider using a replacement remote, a universal remote, or the manufacturer's official smartphone app if your AC supports Wi-Fi. Avoid trying shortcuts like blocking the temperature sensor or pressing random hidden buttons. These methods won't improve cooling and may reduce your system's performance. To avoid future problems, keep spare remote batteries at home, save your remote's model number, and store the owner's manual in an easy-to-find place. The key takeaway is simple: manual controls vary by brand and model, so always check your owner's manual before changing any settings. Now you know how to operate your air conditioner without a remote. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment with your AC model, and share this guide with others.